On an ordinary day that quickly turned historical, the first day of the RICO trial for the notable rapper, Young Thug unfurled like an intense drama at the courthouse. After spending considerable time in the confines of county jail, Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffery Lamar Williams, emerged in the courtroom with a demeanor that was both composed and defiant. His presence immediately captivated the courtroom, as much due to his celebrity status as for the serious charges against him. Young Thug, a prominent figure in the hip-hop industry, found himself embroiled in legal battles, facing charges under the Racketeer-Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, commonly known as RICO. This statute, originally intended to combat organized crime, presented a formidable challenge for the defense. Yet, on this pivotal day, Young Thug's legal team was set to demonstrate their prowess, ready to tackle. The courtroom was a hub of tension and anticipation. The stakes couldn't be higher, with the prosecution arguing that Young Thug was not merely an entertainer but an influential participant in a criminal enterprise. This case had attracted considerable media attention as it wove the world of music with allegations of criminality, a narrative both compelling and controversial. As the proceedings began, the defense attorneys were on their toes, meticulously prepared to counteract the prosecution's assertions. The defense aimed to paint a different picture of Young Thug, showcasing him as an artist misunderstood and philanthropist at heart, who had given back to his community in numerous non-criminal ways. They argued against the backdrop of a legal environment that often sees artists caught in the crossfire between the perceptions of their art. A key moment of the day undoubtedly was when the defense took the floor, presenting their opening statements with precision and passion. The lawyers underscored the lack of concrete evidence directly tying their client to the alleged criminal activities. They punctuated their arguments with the notion that Young Thug was primarily a creative force, not a criminal mastermind. This was not just a defense of a man, but a defense of the artistic community's right to express itself without fear of misinterpretation or unfair allegations. Throughout the day's proceedings, Young Thug remained largely stoic, exhibiting a professional demeanor amidst the whirlwind of legal discourse. His interactions, both with his legal team and the courtroom environment, conveyed a controlled confidence, a silent testament to his trust in his attorney's capabilities. As the trial day drew to a close, it became apparent that this was only the beginning of what promised to be a complex and multifaceted legal journey. For Young Thug and his legal team, the task was clear: dismantle the case brick by brick, relying on the strength of their arguments and the hope that justice would prevail. In conclusion, the first day of the RICO trial against Young Thug was a carefully orchestrated battle of narratives. His lawyers, demonstrating their expertise and strategic acumen, set the stage for what would surely be a landmark trial in the intersection of law, art, and society. In the days to come, both the